What's up, guys? So, we are on the road to 200 subscribers. We're almost there. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for the years, the journey to 200 subscribers. Like, we're almost there. You guys are enjoying the videos. Hope you guys enjoy them. Hope you guys enjoy the videos. I'll be posting every week. I'm not gonna stop. I'm not gonna stop posting. Why? Because I like posting videos, you know what I'm saying? It's easier for me to, like, hey, you enjoy YouTube, you enjoy it every year, you know what I'm saying? You enjoy this job, like this job you do. It's great, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're excited for this year. I'm happy. I'm on the road to 200 subscribers. Hope you guys know. I want everybody now to subscribe right now to this. Subscribe to this channel right now. And comment down below what video should I do? What video should I do? Comment down below. Hope you guys are having a great day. And yeah. Hope you guys smash that like button. Let's get to 10 likes on this video. And please hit that like button. Let's get to 10 likes. Or 21 likes. It don't matter. But yeah. See you guys later. Peace.